Want to become a coin seller on Poppo Live? Here's exactly how to start and how much you can actually earn. In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to become a coin seller on the Poppo Live streaming app. But before we go into the practical aspect, there are important things you need to know, especially because there have been recent updates. Before you begin, if you're already a host under another agency, you must resign first. On the other hand, if you're new to Poppo Live, sign up using the link in the description section. Now, to become an agent, you need to follow these 3 steps. You open the agent link in the description, you enter your own Poppo ID, you enter the verification code sent to your Poppo Messenger. Then you submit, and just like that, you are now an agent. I've done a detailed video which was just dedicated to demonstrating how to become an agent. I will leave its link in the description section as well. Again, click it so as to watch every step from the beginning to the end. Now after that, refresh your app. Your dashboard will show agent and coin trading. However, if you're a female user and don't see it, update your app from Play Store or App Store. Once you're an agent, the next step is loading your coin trading account with USDT. But instead of explaining every detail here, which can get complicated, I've made a separate step-by-step video just for that. So check the description below and click the link titled how to load your Poppo coin trading account. Watch that first, then come back here to continue. After your account is loaded, selling coins is straightforward. First, the buyer pays you in local currency. That would be via bank transfer, GPay, crypto, mention them. Once you confirm the receipt, ask for the buyer's Poppo ID and Poppo name. Then in your dashboard, go to the coin trading. Enter buyer's Poppo ID, enter coin amount, transfer, and then confirm. Additionally, you can use this same method to buy coins for yourself at a cheaper rate. So now here's the thing. I know I'm speaking of it from the abstract point of view. If you want me to do a dedicated video on how to sell coins, I want you to go to the comment section and type dedicated video. I'll actually take note of the number of people who are going to drop that comment, and I'll do a dedicated video on that. Now, let's talk about money. How much can you actually make selling coins? For a beginner who has few customers, which equates to low volume, you're likely to make $10 to $30 per day. For a consistent seller with regular buyers, you can actually earn $50 to $100 per day. And then for a high volume seller with a large network and repeat business, you can actually earn $200 to $500 per day. In short, your earnings depend entirely on how many customers you serve and how much coin volume you move daily. That said, this is not a get rich overnight. Nevertheless, with consistency, it becomes a real income stream. To put it all together, here's what you need to become a Poppo Live coin seller. Poppo agent status, a crypto wallet like Bybit, Trust Wallet, etc. I'm gonna leave the Bybit link in the description section so that you can easily access it and create an account. You need to have the ability to buy USDT via P2P. You need to have coins loaded into your Poppo dashboard, and then you need to have customers to sell coins to. If you have all 5, you're ready to start. Finally, here's what I needed you to do. First, drop the word agent in the comments if you are ready to start. Second, subscribe so you don't miss part 2, where I show you how to find your first 10 customers. And lastly, check the description now for the agent sign up link, the loading recharge tutorial video link. That's it, go get started.